You want to trade with trade, and this is my Discord link, okay? We can trade. I will show us. Wait, let me do. These are all the things I'm gonna do. Even this pop. So
ዩሪንም እየለበለበችው ነው።
I'm just smoking, okay? Then
ጀርመን ያለውን ቤዝ አሜሪካ
Lukaku,
ያለችውን
Karacha,
ቴምር የምትባለውን ቤዝ ደግሞ
or
አው እየለበለበቻት ነው። ሌሎችም ይኖራሉ።
something good for next
ሚጣ አልተቻለችም።
And it has to have at least 2 trades or 3 if you want to make it fair. Okay, I just need to do this. I need to put this back and then show you another one. Okay, I know it's pretty long. It's getting pretty long. You go up there, and then I'll trade you this too. I'm just taking it to my bottom. I know it's gonna take a long time. I know. I'll just end the video right now. And I hope guys can like and subscribe. And this is my trade, my first trade, and you'll see my Discord link. I'll just be quiet when you're scanning the Discord link, okay guys? You can pause it anytime. It's okay.